Our vision with Manufacturing 4.0 is that Iowa become a high adoption state for 4.0 technologies over the next 5 years. This means the broad integration and leveraging of advanced, smart manufacturing technologies across our diverse manufacturing base with respect to both size of firm and industry sector. But this also means a statewide effort.
The time is now to ensure our manufacturers are supported to ensure that they remain globally competitive into the future. If our manufacturers don't adapt, they will simply be left behind. Iowa's manufacturing sector accounts for over $30 billion of our state's GDP, so we can't wait to act.
What is clear is that Iowans need to lean into the challenge that is facing manufacturers.
There are a ton of great companies in the state that are doing really well. The vision is that these companies continue to grow, continue to evolve, and become more sophisticated. We can all name several companies in this state that are at the top of their game, at the top of their industry, but there are a lot of folks who are pretty old school, and you go to their plants and maybe they're a little dusty or dirty, and their products aren't necessarily the ones that are industry leaders. That won't cut it for very long, and so we need to ensure that we're doing everything we can to help folks become the industry leader in their area.
In the past, we have seen the flavor of the month programs come and go. Industry 4.0 is not one of those. It may have flavor of the month technologies that will come and go as part of Industry 4.0, but what we do know is connected machines, data flowing between things, and the ability to use technology to solve problems in a new way is here to stay for the long run. So if you're not stepping into that today, every day you're going to fall further and further behind. So there isn't a magic answer. You're not going to be able to stop and wait and watch what those big companies do and wait 5 years and then just copy it, because 5 years down the road, they'll be on 3, 4, 5 different versions of technology past that. So now's your chance to jump onto that process. Start taking baby steps. You don't need to reinvent your entire business. Take steps, learn from the technology, and continuously improve your business.
Manufacturing 4.0, part of the larger Industry 4.0 effort, is here to stay. Manufacturers, now is the time to assess your readiness and to learn from your peers and industry leaders on what strategies they are using and how they are embracing state-of-the-art technology. This is why Iowa's community colleges are committed to leading the Iowa's Industry 4.0 consortium in partnership with multiple state agencies and business associations. It is a united effort to take our manufacturers, our workforce, and our rural and urban economy to unprecedented heights.
Economic developers, chambers of commerce, and local officials work to connect local businesses with the many service providers ready to assist them and share the stories of those that are investing in the future of Iowa through Manufacturing 4.0.